Hello people, this is Urbanized Media. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, just subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, today we are in Nnewi and an international boxing championship is happening live here in Nnewi, in Anedu Hall, Nnewi, Anambra State. So I am here to bring you the whole content. It's gonna be amazing, believe me. So stay tuned and watch to the end. Yeah, that's the champion. Yeah. They don't do enough publicity. Also on the left, shots. Wow.
So she's in the right corner. Give it up for Odinaka Grace. Now also making her way into the ring. Ladies and gentlemen, Makwara Uwando Odinaka. So we'll set for round one. Round one between Odinaka Grace, sports in black and red shorts. In the red corner, Alonso Orlando Oniyechi. Round one. This is the next call that's coming up. Alright, so let's see the list. Show us what they have. That is the next step project from one relation. Let's see the 1,000. What's that? Chris Roses. Let's go. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. This ladies, how many go on each other? The punches are flying from left, back, center. The funny jumps. Headshots coming in. Whatever can do, the women can do better. And these punches are flying in. Some body jumps, body shots coming in. Boxing. One Boxing Promotions, USA, and Heritage Boxing Promotion. These are the female boxers showing us more talent, entertainment, and it's premium. Looking at each other. Although it's still first half knockouts, it is very counter. The punches are flying. Headshots. Also, so far it has been an entertaining pleasure. Which includes boxers. No one making anything on the floor. We have to go at each other. They've been phenomenal. We've seen class, we've seen their physical strength. We've also seen tactical strength. For you so far, when you talk about those people be like boxing, it's a game for the guys. But what is the thing when you that? It's already coming in. The punches are flying in. Headshots, some body shots too. The footwork is nice. John Teresa, getting thrown out with order. Who is finding the poser? The Miyoshi also finding the post. Wow, this is going to be a very tough one for the judges. Judges keep their eyes on this bout. These girls are doing it right up to each other. Boxing at its premium, nice entertainment. Coming right here at the age of war. These are female boxers shoulders, showing us the skills, the footwork, the punches, flying great, body shots too. The ref digital advice, rules of engagement. The body shots accordingly, flying is ideal. This is freedom entertainment at the right point of view. This goes on the point of view for that. For one person, what's your name? I'm shooting. Oh! There goes. There goes finally. Who's going to win this particular bout? I'll be joining to the story. So what's next? For the final round of this Godzilla Boxing contest. 65 kg criminal category between Wando Winyeshi in the blue corner and also Odinaka Briggs in the red corner. Once more, big shout out to the final round on the way. The punch is already flying. Body shots. Yes, it's coming in. What a man can do, a woman can do better. Some good words are coming down. We see body shots coming in from center, from sideways. These ladies are premium entertainers. Premium entertainers right here. Some nice head movements. Are we heading the knockouts? So the ring bell goes in weeks. The signal to sit down the first round. We're going to go for the first round, ladies and gentlemen. It is going to be this time. The one on the in the blue corner. First now is Odinaka Briggs. Okay. It's nice to know that whatever a man can do, a woman can do better. No. When they talk like that. Going for the juggler, going for the king, going for the minis. Is it going to happen? Body shots lightning. Don't forget this is the fourth and the final round of this bout. Next boxers, you get ready. Next boxers, get ready. The next boxers should get ready. Shots. And that's the end of final round. The next bout coming your way in the next couple of
¿Qué pasa ahí, güey?
Let's go. Hey, Melonia. Hey, Melonia. Hey, Melonia. Hey, Melonia. Hey,
we'll see the man in blue shorts that becoming more aggressive, taking the fighter to his opponent's red. The man in red taking his time, pulling the two jabs there and there. I think the man in blue wants a big head to something like that. And he goes to the key one spot, but the opponent is being sent. The punch.
Venha cá, Eloia.
Giddy up!
Yeah.
Red, follow this boy. Follow him. Follow him. I have to go there first. I guess go to be one or two now. Now look how food you pay also. Yes. Fire also. Yes, I'm meant to hurry. Yes. Fight. Yes.
Listen to some of each other. But we're still here. Still fighting at the arena. We're going to be at the door. He wants to identify quickly, but he has left a wheeled by the one red. And the government is here!
Yes.
I think oh my God, I'm not going to win. Oh my God. He's really for the team. He wants this to win in the time. He wants this to win in the time. Is he going to happen now? But now, the ball says what it is. The referee is accepting the evidence. So the next fight, we're going to begin this right now. After the introduction to the belt, there's between Samuel Richard and Sajero Mohammed to box on Nation Free.
Red, yes, yes! William,
We're ready for round 4. A piece of beautiful Big shout out to Young TV. Yes. Big shout out to you guys. And also, and our houses, civil security, and our people. So let's get a result. Like I was saying, some people also know when I see you. Some people also excel, I see you. Some people also Batman.
Thank you so much, everybody, for watching this house. It's a very popular house anywhere. And I urge those sponsors to join in this form. I see a lot of fitness in this house. And I tell these sponsors to join well done. And thanks to the judges, everyone is short of 3 to 1. Use
Come on, At the final round of this very bout, the coach is